Hello guys, welcome to the review of the Swissotel Bangkok Ratchada, one bedroom corner suite including club lounge access. The hotel located at Ratchada Pisek Road which direct access to the MRT underground train Hoi Kwang station. From this area, you can travel to various landmarks in Bangkok via the MRT and BTS transportation systems. Swissotel Bangkok Ratchada is in the Accor Hotel chain. This 23 floors 5-star hotel, which built since 1999 and last renovated since 2014. The executive room, including lounge, is on the 20 to 22nd floor. Swimming pool and spa is on the 5th floor. My room type is the one-bedroom corner suite. I did book by using the conformable suite upgrade, so no additional upgrade for Platinum member. The suite room have separate living room, bedroom, and bathroom. Water, tea, and coffee capsule are complimentary. The welcome fruits and pastry are complimented for Platinum member, I guess. Here is the bedroom at the corner. The bathroom with separated bathtub and shower. The amenity kit set with no brands. Here's the welcome letter and explain what we could get benefits from the Platinum member. The high floors of the hotel are supposed to get spectacular view across the city, so please be sure your room faces to the city area. The executive club lounge located on the 22nd floor. Available for Platinum member or higher level as well as executive room guests. They serve afternoon tea and evening cocktails, beverages, and snacks. The food and beverage in the evening cocktail section are various and very good, as well as all staff in the executive lounge. They are willing to serve you always. "204 bar located at the ground floor, which next to the lobby. They serve variety of drinks and many food options from restaurants around the hotel. For breakfast buffet is available at 204 Bistro. The breakfast time is 7 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. every day, creative and impressive, various and tasty. The hotel offers full facilities and amenities such as fitness center and swimming pool. The fitness center is big, but swimming pool is a bit small. Overall, this hotel is well located, great hospitality, and nice services. Especially the club lounge service, I could say it is the best Accor club lounge in Bangkok. Thank you everyone for watching. Bye bye.